Instead of clearing the aircraft to maintain an altitude, the cruise clearance is initiated when the controller clears the aircraft to cruise an altitude. A cruise clearance allows the pilot to select any altitude between the minimum for IFR and the cruise altitude specified. For instance, cruise 6,000 means the pilot could climb or descend within the block from 6,000 feet and the minimum for IFR. The report without request when vacating a previously assigned altitude is not required. However, if the pilot does report descending from an altitude, the aircraft may not return to that altitude without ATC clearance. A cruise clearance authorizes the pilot to fly to and make an approach at the destination. The controller who issues the cruise clearance knows that there are no other IFR aircraft on that set of airways at or below the cruise altitude. In addition, there are no IFR aircraft inbound to the destination within the time for the cruise aircraft to make an approach.
By saying cruise, the controller means there is no traffic and we don't have to be so formal about this flight.